For this video, we will go on a reading journey. Our mission for this year, should you choose to accept it, involves exploring worlds of stories, dramas, and poems. I know it sounds like a lot, but trust me, it's going to be exciting. Think of it as a huge, thrilling amusement park. Roller coasters, merry-go-rounds, water rides. Each one is unique and offers a different kind of thrill. Well, reading literature is just like that. Let's take a sneak peek at the exciting rides we're going to enjoy. Stories. These are like your roller coasters, filled with ups and downs, twists and turns, taking us on exciting journeys. They can be short stories or long, sprawling novels that take us to different places and times. We'll dive into different worlds, meet fascinating characters, and experience their adventures. Dramas. These are like the theatrical performances at the amusement park. Imagine standing in front of a grand stage with lights, costumes, and dramatic dialogues. Dramas or plays are stories told through characters speaking and acting. We'll learn how to visualize the performance in our minds as we read the script. Poems. Oh, these are like the beautiful, serene boat rides. They might seem calm, but they carry that deep meaning beneath their surface, just like the water under our boat. Poems play with language in unique ways to evoke emotions and paint vivid imagery. They're like puzzles for us to solve and enjoy. And guess what? By the end of the year, our goal is to be able to read and understand all these different kinds of rides. As we journey through this amusement park of literature, we'll learn new words, explore new ideas, and have tons of fun. Are you ready, adventurers? Grab your park maps or your books. Fasten your seatbelts and let's get set on our literary roller coaster ride.